If you want to factory reset your iPhone but don't want to lose your eSIM, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you the correct way to erase your iPhone while keeping your eSIM active, so you don't have to contact your carrier again for reactivation. Let's do it step by step using an iPhone 17 Pro example. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Now scroll all the way to the bottom. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Over here, choose Erase All Content and Settings. Now you'll see the Erase This iPhone screen. This page shows what will be removed from the device, including apps, photos, messages, and other personal data. Tap Continue. Now, a pop-up will appear asking what you want to do with your eSIM. This part is very important. Choose Keep eSIM and Erase Data. That option removes everything from the iPhone but keeps your cellular eSIM profile saved on the device. After selecting it, enter your iPhone passcode. Next, enter your Apple ID password to turn off Find My iPhone and Activation Lock. Then tap Turn Off. Now the reset process will begin automatically. Your iPhone will restart and erase all content while keeping the eSIM ready for setup again. Once the reset finishes, you can set up your iPhone like new without needing to scan the eSIM QR code again. This is the safest method if you're selling the phone, fixing software problems, or starting fresh while keeping your mobile number active. And that's how to factory reset your iPhone without removing the eSIM.